Two career paths, both senior, both respected. One of them leads teams, one of them leads system. The question is, which one is right for you? I've seen engineers pick the management track because they thought it was the next step. It's not. It's a different job entirely. Let me break down the IC versus management decision, not here as an HR conversation, but as a career choice that will shape the next decade of your life. And this is why it matters, especially for you watching the video right now. Most companies have two tracks past the senior engineer. You either move towards staff engineer, principal engineer, and beyond, staying deep in technical work, or you move into engineering management, leading teams, setting direction, and growing people. Neither of them is better than the other one. They are different skill sets, different daily realities, and different definitions of impact in people and business. So let's talk about the IC track. As a staff or principal engineer, your job is to solve the hardest technical problems in the company. You're not managing people. Yes, you mentor and you lead others also, but you're not managing people. You're shaping the system, setting technical direction, reviewing architecture, and doing the deep work that others cannot. Your leverage here is your technical depth. You stay in the code, you stay in the design docs. In incidents, you influence by being the person who actually knows how the system works. This is the part for you if you lose track of time when you're deep in a problem because you love it so much. You'd rather own your system rather than own a team. Mentoring others feel natural to you, but managing their performance and firing sometimes does not matter to you. The management track will probably be ideal for you if you care about people, their career growth, their development, and you actually want to make an input in that. So as an engineering manager, your output becomes your team's output. You stop measuring your success essentially by what you ship, and you start measuring it by what your team ships. Your day essentially shifts from designing systems to designing processes, one-on-ones, roadmap alignment, hiring, conflicts, performance conversations. This is especially the part for you if you get energy from helping others grow and you find yourself naturally stepping in to unblock people from day to day. You essentially care more about the team's velocity than your own technical outputs. Now you need to reflect here. The honest thing that I'll tell anyone is don't jump to management just because you're bored or because you're angry of tech work. And don't stay in independent contributor role because you are afraid of management work. Both of those tracks are hard, I'm not gonna lie to you. Both of them require deliberate, mark my words here, deliberate skill building. So the question is, how do you navigate growth in each of these parts? So on the IC track here, you want to build a body of work. You solve increasingly bigger problems. You essentially become the person who drives technical decisions across your teams. Find the scope of impact and you keep expanding it. Essentially, that's what you do. And for the management track, you need to be intentional about your first report. Get a mentor or coach early enough. The shift from IC to manager is one of the hardest transitions ever in engineering because I tell you for a fact, you don't want to fail that. So, what do you do next? Whether you're on the IC or management track, career growth never happens by accident. It happens when you're deliberate about where you're heading. If you want the DevOps career roadmap that I share with engineers who are just getting started, reply DevOps in the comments and I'll send it over. And if you've navigated this decision yourself, IC or management, I want to hear about it, especially if you're a manager or a staff engineer. Drop your experience in the comment section and let others learn from you also. Thank you very much and I'll see you again in another video. Goodbye. Back to my work.